Hello friends, welcome back. So what are React hooks? React hooks are a new addition in React 16.8. They let you use state and other React features without writing a class. In React, we have two kind of components, class component and function components. In the past, class components did the heavy lifting. If we wanted to keep track of certain values by putting them in state, we needed class components. Class components were previously the only kind of components that had state in React. The same applied for interacting with an API. Let's say an external API or a browser API. We needed to use a lifecycle hook like component did mount to reach out to those API, and those are only available with class components. By comparison, function components were important for displaying our markup and the data stored in state. We passed state from class component to render in function components through props, and this function components helped us break our application into more readable and logical component tree. React hooks represent a huge change to React library and how we write React code. Now why is that? The main reason is because we technically no longer need class components anymore. React hooks give to function components all the functionality we previously relied on class component. So this was an introduction on what are React hooks, and I'll see you in the next lecture.